Welcome to this tutorial on how to send automatic WhatsApp message on a new Google Form submission using Google App Script and WhatsApp Cloud API. In this tutorial, we will be working with a client called Kidling who has created a Google Form for collecting user information. This form asks user to enter their name, WhatsApp number, email and a message. To send a template message using the WhatsApp Cloud API, we first need to create a message template and get it approved by Meta. Once our template has been approved, we can move on to integrate it with our Google Form. To do this, we will go to our Google Form and click on the three dots in top right corner. From there, we will select the script editor option. In the script editor, we will write a function that will send an automatic WhatsApp message on form submission. Once we have written the function, we will save it. Next, we will create an on form submit trigger. To do this, we will move our cursor to the left sidebar and click on triggers. From there, we will click on add triggers and choose the on form submit function to run. We will then select head as deployment to run and from form as the event source. Finally, we will select on form submit as the event type and click save. We will be asked to grant permission for the integration to work. Once we have granted all the necessary permission, our Google Form and WhatsApp integration will be set up and ready to go. To test this automation, we will go back to our Google Form and fill out all the required fields like name, WhatsApp number, email and a message. Then we will click on submit button. Once we have submitted the form, we should receive an automatic WhatsApp message with all the information we provided. Let's go to WhatsApp and check the message. Great, we have received the message just as expected with all the details from the form included. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help with integration like this, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or WhatsApp or visit our website for more information. Thanks again and have a great day.